Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Ultimate Paleo Protein Powder. This powder has beef protein and collagen peptides in it, and it's non-GMO, dairy-free, and no sugar. Also keto-friendly. Thing I like most about this protein is that it's beef protein because a lot of proteins that's made out there is made with other stuff. I'm not going to tell you what it's made with, but it's usually not beef. It's kind of gross what it's made of, but this is beef, so that's good. As I open it, it smells pretty good. It's nice and powdery in there. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some protein drink so you can see what it's like. I'm going to mix it up with about 8 ounces of water and 1 scoop, and we'll see what we have here. I'll blend it up all nicely and pour it out. Now you could drink it when it come out where it's all foamy, or you could put it in the fridge and let it foam down, and you have it just like this, whichever you prefer. But it tastes real good, and I hope this review helps.